25 years from now, the world of employment has experienced yet another significant upheaval. The availability of hybrid careers, artificial intelligence automation, and digital entrepreneurship is greater than it has ever been. Millions of people are turning to side hustles to supplement their income, explore their passions, or even develop full-time enterprises so that they may do all of these things from the comfort of their own homes. On the one hand, the economy is unpredictable, and on the other hand, powerful tools are at our fingertips. On the other hand, not every side hustle is produced evenly. Here's a breakdown of the top 5 high-potential, low-barrier side hustles that are expected to be popular in 2025. Number 5. AI-powered freelancing is the first trend. What it is. Freelancing has always been on the rise, but the new trend in 2025 is artificial intelligence augmentation. It doesn't matter if you're a writer, designer, marketer, or analyst. If you combine your skills with AI technologies, you'll be able to complete tasks more quickly, be more competitive, and increase your value. AI-assisted copywriting for advertisements, blogs, and email funnels, and graphic design using AI technologies for logos, branding, and social media are two of the niches that are currently seeing high demand. Prompt engineering for artificial intelligence models of images and videos, market research using AI scraping tools, data visualization and AI dashboards. These are the key tools. ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai for content generation, Midjourney, Leonardo, and Canva AI for design, Runway machine learning and Pictory for machine learning and design. Grammarly and Quillbot are used in the making of videos, editing and rewriting by artificial intelligence. PromptBase, which provides purchasing and selling prompts. Clients can be found on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, among other places. More recent systems that are focused on artificial intelligence, such as Revelancer, SuperProf AI, Genius Reddit, are Hire a Writer, and R Design Jobs. LinkedIn and Discord groups are all possibilities. The potential monthly income ranges from $1,000 to $6,000 or more, depending on the amount of work invested and the ability possessed. Number 4. Content creation for artificial intelligence automation. The proliferation of micro-creators and faceless content channels can be attributed to the development of artificial intelligence AI tools and more sophisticated social media algorithms. It is not necessary to have a camera or charm. Rather, you need to have consistency, a certain niche, and automation. The following are examples of content types that will be successful in the year 2025. Faceless YouTube channels, including top 10s, storytelling, and tutorials. AI-edited Instagram and TikTok Reels using CapCut templates. Automated blog websites utilizing WordPress and AI content tools. Niche newsletters produced by AI and personalized by Substack. Pictory, InVideo, and Synthesia are the best tools for converting text to video. CapCut and Canva Pro should also be considered. Beehive and Substack are two examples of mobile video editing applications. Lumen 5. Writesonic and ChatGPT are examples of email audience tools, writing for both scripts and blogs. Number 3. A print-on-demand POD system that is driven by artificial intelligence. The term print-on-demand refers to the process of selling customized products, such as t-shirts, mugs, and posters, without the need to maintain inventory. What will be trending in 2025? Shirts based on popular culture or online memes. Personalized presents with a topic related to pets merchandise that is both inspirational and mental health-related aesthetic wall art that is generated by artificial intelligence, trend-based seasonal clothing such as crypto memes and political satire. There are several top platforms, including Etsy, Amazon Merch, and Redbubble, which have built-in traffic. Shopify, which integrates with Printify and Printful. T-Launch, Guten, and Gelato, and more. A more urgent fulfillment. The best design tools include Midjourney, DALLE, and Kittle, which are capable of producing one-of-a-kind artwork. Success tips. The selection of a niche is the most important thing. Focus on communities that are passionate about something, such as dog owners, book enthusiasts, and gamers. The potential monthly income ranges from $200 to more than $15,000, depending on the design volume, the niche, and the search engine optimization. Number 2, creating artificial intelligence courses and selling digital products. What it is. Digital products have the characteristic of being able to be sold automatically, without the need for shipping or inventory. Digital products that are selling like hotcakes in 2025, Notion dashboards and life plans are available. Specialty ebooks generated by AI and edited by humans. Resume templates and job search kits are included in the ChatGPT prompt packs. The following are some of the places where you can sell your products: Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi for organized courses. Notion Market, Product Hunt, and Creative Market ChatGPT and Claude.ai are two examples of useful tools for content creation. Notion, Canva, and Figma are examples of product design tools. Synthesia and Loom are examples of course video creation tools. As an illustration, a productivity coach recently introduced an AI productivity hub that was built on Notion and cost $29. Keys to success: bundle your products together. Provide a template for $15, a guide for $30, or a bundle for $99 to increase the average order value. Number 1. Virtual Assistants FIV-A with artificial intelligence skills. What it is: businesses, individuals with influence, and sole proprietors are consistently looking for outsourced workers. Common virtual assistant tasks: management of social media, scheduling and analytics, management of inboxes and calendars, the design of automation processes, Zapier, Make, and Notion AI, the generation of content using artificial intelligence, posts, blogs, and scripts, customer service through email or chat businesses that specialize in e-commerce, content makers and YouTubers, tech startups, coaches and consultants, businesses that hire e-commerce professionals. The following are the key platforms: Belay, Magic, Time etc., Upwork, Freelancer, Direct Outreach on LinkedIn. The following are some of the tools that you absolutely must be familiar with: Zapier, Notion, Airtable, Slack, ChatGPT, Jasper and Canva, ClickUp, Trello, and Asana. The administration of projects. To command greater prices, it is recommended that you package your service as a growth assistant rather than a virtual assistant. Pay attention to return on investment ROI, such as I assist in automating 5 hours of content creation each week. Depending on the nature of the work and the number of clients, here are some concluding thoughts. What you need to do to get started right away. 1. Pick one business line and one market niche. 2. Install 2 to 3 essential tools, the majority of which are free. Dedicate yourself to spending 30 to 60 minutes per day for 30 days. 4. Keep a record of your journey. Social proof allows you to gain momentum. 5. Invest the initial proceeds in educational resources, advertising, or tools. It is important to keep in mind that every single artist or solopreneur alive today began their career as a side hustler. In the year 2025, the instruments are more advanced, the obstacles are less severe, and the possibility of earning is more than it has ever been. The only component that is lacking is your consistent activity.